Hi, this is Poppy's Workshop, Caffeine and BS for April 24th, 2019, addendum number 1. It's been 4 hours since my last post to the tube. God only knows what I'm going to have to post rebuttal videos to that has been posted since then. That's why it's addendum 1. Hi, Cole. You started this. That's my daughter-in-law in Van Buren, Arkansas. That's right, I said the name of the town now. Yesterday, in the morning, I was a guy with 1 subscriber. My daughter-in-law, Nicole, right? And middle of the night, I'm watching Emma's spare room machine shop, and she's talking about there's 2 entrants to the contest. Somebody please enter. I said, okay, I'll bite. Hey, this is going to be fun anyway. I mean, if I just make 1 friend, well, I think I do that. So, bang, I win. I seriously think the oil dispenser, the man made out of, it looks like a mayonnaise jar and some common shop scrap, is going to win. Oh yeah. I mean, that stop for the milling machine, that looks nice too, but I still think the oil dispenser is going to win. Me? Oh no, not a chance. In beauty contests, they have Miss Congeniality, so that she doesn't go home and take an extension cord out of the garage and find one of the trees in the backyard. Anyway, I wanted something to post, so I had a good excuse to go and look at my stats. So I threw together 3 jaw upgrade project updates, 1, 2, and 3, and this. And I'm going to see, did I post that Michigan J. Frog is running for president? Well, I'll find out. Anyway, I'm going to go now.